Hey everyone, if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. If you missed my last video of the John Boat flooring, make sure to hit the link above. Today, we're going to install casting deck on the John Boat for fishing. Make sure to stay tuned. So here are the parts for the casting deck. You can see the narrow parts on the 1-inch plywood are for the front where the boat gets narrow, and then I've cut some pieces for the back, and I'll show you it when it gets assembled. This piece down below is the piece to make up for the difference on the height, so I'll show you that now. Okay, so what we've used here is a 2x4 to make up the height difference, and I had to put something in so it wouldn't slide back and forth. So this piece here is mounted so the floor doesn't slide back at me, but again, if there's enough room, if someone wants to sit in the middle, they can sit in the middle, and if you want to row, you still have the option. And that board there holds everything together, and then these little pieces hold on the sides that I've cut, and the main piece goes in the middle here, and I'll show you it all put together. Okay, so now we're laying down our casting deck, and as you can see, I've had this together before. Yep. Just gonna line up the edges here. Is it flushed in? Yep. So now I've got the deck down. We're gonna screw the back into the 2x4 here with 2.5-inch screws. Now that we have our screws attached to our 2x4, we're going to screw in the sides to these side pieces so we can add the extensions. So now on the side piece to hold it on, we're going to use some 1.25-inch screws. Countersink them a little bit. Now that we've got that piece screwed on, now we can screw on our extension here with the 2.5 screw into the 2x4. Back to the 1.25. Now with that side done, we'll do the same to the other side. And put this extension on. There we go, we're all done. Okay, so now with it all assembled, we're going to put it in the boat. And here it is, all done. You can carpet it, you can paint it. We left these gaps obviously for our rod holders on either side. But it also allows our gas tank gas line to run to the back, and you can see right up to the lights here, and it fits perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe and like button down below. I'll catch you on the next one.